Hello, my name is Cameron and this is my first video of 2019. As you might remember, last year I made a video doing a mini review on the Cube Pro Duo, which I used at my school. And after that I took quite a bit of an interest in 3D printing and I decided to ask for a 3D printer for my Christmas and I got one. So here we go. Here is the printer. It is Creality's Ender 3 Pro. So yeah, the printer I got is Creality's Ender 3 Pro and it was not too bad to set up. When I got it on Christmas Day, it came in quite a lot of parts, so me and my dad put it all together, which altogether took us around 4 hours, which I didn't expect it to take that long, but it did. And then after that I had to do some calibration with doing like bed leveling and stuff like that. And then once I'd done all of that, I was ready to start printing. So the first ever print that I done on a 3D printer was a Benchy. Now a Benchy is sort of like one of the most popular 3D models to print, and it's to sort of test your 3D printer to make sure it's working and just to make sure it can do like overhangs and just print everything properly. So here is the Benchy here. It's just a little bolt. Don't know if you can see that. And in it does a lot of detail. If you look inside, there is actually a wheel. And for my first print, I think this turned out really well. Now, there are quite a lot actually, a lot of other prints that I have done since then. Quite a few of them I'm going to save for other videos, but I will show you this one in particular. This was a model that someone made of a Kirby with someone's face on it. Don't know if you can see that well. So I decided to make one that's a bit bigger and I decided to paint it. So this is what it looks like. I thought it looked pretty funny. And then I also made these. These are thumb grips, so they just snap straight onto your Xbox controller, which is here. So they just snap right on and just makes your fingers not slip, makes it a lot more grippier. And so I'm just gonna show you something printing. So after removing it from the build plate and putting the pieces together, I finally got this, which I thought was quite cool. It's a fork for your thumb. So this took 40 minutes, and just to show that all 3D prints don't take hours and hours, you can print things like this in less than an hour. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and just remember, leave a comment of what you think I should do next, and I'll see you later.